Hello, my name is Annie McLean and I'm going to be showing how to set up a catheterization tray today. So first I would introduce myself and say my name is Annie McLean and I'm a student nurse at KPU. I would explain to the patient that the physician has ordered a catheter and explain a little bit about the procedure to her. I would identify that the patient is female and just palpate her bladder for discomfort. I would then ask the patient to lie down a little bit with her legs a little bit open and her knees flexed. Okay, and then I would go perform my hand hygiene, and I would drape a blanket over the patient for patient comfort, exposing just the area for the catheterization. Then I would put on clean gloves, and I would identify the urinary meatus. Okay, and then I would remove my gloves and go wash my hands again. And then I would come back and I would open the sterile catheterization kit, maintaining sterility by only touching the outer 1-inch edge of the sterilization field. Okay, and then I would put on the sterile gloves in the kit, okay, which are not included in this kit, but for the sake of the video, I'll just pretend. Then I will take the drape and ask the patient to just lift her buttocks. So for the sake of this patient not being human, I will lift the patient's buttocks myself and put the drape under the patient's buttocks. Okay, and then I will take the sterile drape for the genitals with the shiny side down and drape it over the patient's genitals, with the genitals showing through the hole. Then I will take everything out of the sterilization kit here, putting it on the sterile field, keeping everything sterile. There's a little garbage bag I would open up, and then I could put all my garbage in there as I go. Okay, so first I would open the lubricant and put it just in the sterilization tray here. And then just put my garbage in the garbage, and then I would take the antiseptic solution and pour it over the cotton balls, keeping it on the sterilization field. And then I would open the catheter here, open it up, taking the catheter out, maintaining sterility, keeping it on the sterile field. Then I would test the catheter's balloon using the pre-filled syringe, retracting the fluid from the balloon back into the syringe, and then I would dip the end of the catheter into the lubricant, which is now in the tray, and then just keep the catheter on the sterile field, and then I would take my forceps and cleanse the urinary meatus 3 times. Once with each cotton ball, the fresh cotton balls, so one on one side of the urinary meatus, a second one on the other side of the urinary meatus, going from front to back, the clitoris to the anus, and one more cotton ball down the middle of the urinary meatus. And now I would be ready to insert the catheter. Thank you.